So hello guys, so today I am going to show you how to calculate your EC2 estimation monthly bill. So if you want to calculate your AWS estimated monthly bill, so you can use the official website here. So this is I am open here Google and type here how to calculate AWS EC2 estimation here. So this is the dashboard is coming here now. So this is the AWS pricing dashboard coming. Create estimation here. There is the dashboard is coming. Here is the region is coming here. So I am selecting here the Asia Pacific Mumbai region, and this is the what kind of service you want to calculate here. Here is the I am going with the first of all EC2 instance here. So now click on the configure here option is coming. Now here is the option is coming, so tendency operating systems. So here is the three option is coming: shared, dedicated and dedicated host. So I'm going with the shared instance. So most of the customer are using shared instance here. So I'm choosing here the Linux operating system. There is multiple option is coming here. I'm choosing here number of instance. Here is the option is coming. You can customize your machine for I'm choosing here 4 CPU and 8 GB memory or 6 GB memory, and select here your family here C file. You can select, you can say here the draw. Lots of option is coming here. So C25 4 core CPU 8 GB memory. Okay. So now if you select here, so you can see here it's showing here the total monthly cost is $64 here. So let's down here, and this is the complete dashboard. Here is the some saving plan, on demand plan, on spot instance plans. This is the choice yours. For go with the 1 year or 3 year, this is the saving plan. If you go with the use and throw, you can go with the demand on spot instance here. This is the most customer are using here. If you are go with the long term on AWS, you can use the saving plan here, reserve instance here, spot instance. You can see here the total monthly bill 64, 53, 124, 125 here. This is the monthly USD dollar here, complete showing here. So now you can down here. Here is the option is coming AWS EBS, detail monitoring, data transfer. If you choose any specific, some of the additional cost is involved here. You can see if I enable in monitoring here, so some cost is now involved here. If I choose here 100 GB, I am go with the 100 GB. I'm mentioning here 100 GB storage. If you are selecting a machine here, so we need a storage. So if I choosing 100 GB storage, so $134 is now coming here. Here is the snapshot frequency. If you choose the snapshot frequency, here is the option is coming here. So let's again here. So if you choose here snapshot amount here, if I choose here 100 GB, 150 GB, or if I choose here per amount charge, here is the option is unit GB option is coming here. So if you choose any other option, here is the now the cost is now involved here, is the costing involving here every time choose here. So this is the method here. So again, so this is the Linux server costing here. So if I choose here the Windows server here, so if I choose here Windows server, I'm choosing here the family here, again customize here. So you can see here is the option is coming 4 CPU and 16 GB memory here. So now the costing involved is now $136. Here is the again, this is the new dashboard here. So here is the complete saving plan here. If I go with the 1 year or 3 year or monthly basis, this is the complete scenario here. Is the option is coming. Here is the again, if I choose 100 GB customizable, if I choose go with the 200 GB, 500 GB, you can pay here EBS. Okay. This is the blank is coming, so again we need to create here. So this time we are going to calculate with the RDS database here what is the costing is coming here. If I use for Amazon RDS database, so you can see here is the default is taking the 4 CPU and 32 GB memory here. You can see here the billing is now showing here is the total monthly 3000. If I choose here standard enterprises, so the different price is coming now here. You can see here if this is the on demand, this is the storage amount here. If I choose 100 GB, if I go with the 150 GB, if we choose here the backup storage, every time you can select here every, so he calculate the costing here for every instance. So if you choose here, you can customize here option. What is the other option is coming? If I choose here 8 core 32 GB, or if I for the testing purpose I choose 2 CPU and 8 GB memory, so what is the cost is coming? So the cost is coming $1,943. So I think this is not the correct estimation is showing monthly costing. So we need to verify here this is a total monthly or this is a monthly. This is not the complete fact. This I think there is something wrong calculation here. Again we need to test again here the calculation RDS. What is the cost is coming? Select here. So choosing here, if I now the customize here again here. So if I choose, you can see here the 100 GB storage here. You can see here the RDS custom instance. This is the monthly billing. If I choose here, this is the default is 4 to 32 GB. So no need to require here. I am go with the 2 CPU and 8 GB memory. So yeah, this is the correct amount is not showing here, $573. Okay. This is the volume 100%. If you choose here is the enterprise standard, but depend on your choice here. If I choose here standard enterprise, this is the calculation is now showing here. So you can choose here amount of storage. Here is the calculation is coming 586. So every time you can choose, if you choose a backup storage, then now the calculation is involved here. You can see here $39 if you go with the 150 GB storage. And this is the additional backup. If you choose here backup here, so now the costing is now involved here. If I choose 100 GB, you can see here is the monthly cost is $950. That is not too much charges, so that's good. So if I go with the, you can see here the monthly costing involved here. So this is the monthly and this is the yearly costing here. So this is the step here. So how can calculate your AWS estimation monthly bill? So this is the step here. So okay guys, thank you for watching this video.